Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Adidas account on your mobile phone. Adidas is German athletic apparel and footwear corporation. You can log into Adidas account using your Adidas application that you can install through your Play Store if you are using an Android or through your App Store if you are using Apple. You can also log in through your web browser. I am going to log in through your web browser. So open your web browser available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to the search bar and type www.adidas.com. Then tap on the arrow. With that you'll be taken to the Adidas website. Now here you can see the profile icon at top section. Tap on the profile icon. Then here you can see login or sign up page. You can log in using your Apple ID, your Facebook ID, your Google ID or your Yahoo ID as well. I am going to log in manually. To do that, first enter your email address on the given box. Now, if you want your account to be kept logged in, then you can tap on the given box. After entering your email address, tap on continue. Now here you need to enter the password of your account. Make sure that you enter your correct password. Then once view through terms and condition Adidas privacy notice and other terms and condition, as by logging in you agree to all those websites terms and condition. If you forgot password of your Adidas account, you can tap on forgot password. After entering your password, tap on sign in. With that, you'll be logged into your Adidas account. This is how we can log in Adidas account on mobile phone. As you can see here, my account has been logged in. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.